Yo, what's up, everybody? Long time no hear from you. You didn't see us. Maybe some of you already forgot. Hopefully not. But we are still here, back in Poland.
The thing is that actually we've got so many, message, emails, and Instagram in
messages and everything.
And text us like, "How's life doing? Why is no video? Are you guys still alive? Are you guys still making video? And how's the life update so far?" Thank you so much for those of you who asking us and then waiting our videos. I know that we used to have a daily live video every single day, but so far we are just busy with our own businesses. I am so busy with my massage. Like today I'm getting ready to go to my massage cabinet because I've got around 5 clients today. Imagine from 12 until 10 p.m.
That's actually good, right? And I'm also driving all days long, so that's the thing. That's why we're making less video. And also, of course, we are not strolling around the streets of Bali, so it's different, right? We are not making every single day. That's for different times. However, we used to make over 40 years every single day. However, we are here, so don't worry.
Okay, so we are off from our garage now, right, Kohanye?
Our daily routine, having coffee, breakfast, coffee. You had your nashi, you cook, right? I had my coffee and bread. Next time maybe I will go to the shop and show you how I'm buying my bread because it's actually next door. But we are leaving our basement garage now, and I'm gonna drop you to your place.
And the thing is that now there is no snow, Kohanye.
There is no snow. Actually, the snow was only once for a while, like 1-2 days or something like that. And technically, that's all what we had of snow. However, the winters are very mild nowadays. Little bit like winters in UK, actually, to be honest, which mean not too cold, which is good. I mean, for you, I think it's easier, to cope with this weather. That's why you didn't got that much shock, you experienced already snow a little bit, right?
Yes.
That's the most important thing.
Now it is about 4 degrees and then I'm wearing my sweater and jacket.
No, the thing is you wearing your sweater, your jacket and shawl and everything.
Yes.
Me just wearing my hoodie, that's it. And I have just t-shirt underneath. The t-shirt and the hoodie, that's it. But I am spending all my days in the car because recently I'm driving quite a lot of Uber because I just found out it's actually interesting and cool. However, it's a lot of interesting people you can find in this, and it makes me relax. And also, of course, I'm doing my transport thingy, moving around between cities, like I mentioned already at the beginning when I come to Poland and I buy this car, what we are still driving. So so it's going. Somehow it's going, so it's alright. Yes, Sayat?
Yes, so while now I'm focusing on my massage business, Bali massage. And
this is actually a very nice niche for you, paradoxically, right?
Yeah.
As you are here like exotic in the Europe, and you found out this is actually your really good niche. And interest of Bali massages is actually pretty big in Poland, bigger than I thought at the beginning when I came 1.5 years ago doing the researchers. So why not, right?
Yes, so the things.
And I think it's actually more for you, even more interesting than being a teacher, right?
Yes, and then I've got also my business partner. We are developing together, and then in that building, in the 2nd floor, there is a yoga studio. So it's really like the place where I am doing my massage, actually like healing retreat or something like that. So on the top, you can do a yoga, and then on the 1st floor, you can do a Bali massage. So currently, yes, we are busy, and then that's why we have no time to make a video, but we're still alive and we are still doing good, still together.
Of course, especially many people always thinking, if Damian and Winnie don't make a videos, they must be already broke up and they are not together. I don't know why. I know in West it's very popular to be like that, but it's not for us. We are already how long we are together? 10 years or something, more even, right? So Don't you worry. Anyways, we got you covered. If you ever come to Poland, especially to Poznan, you're already gonna get your Balinese vibe with the massage and stuff like this one. And I got you covered if you're moving around. So don't you worry.
Tours in Poznan and also Bali massage. It's just simply a complete things to do in Poznan.
It can be
Poland.
even more advanced, because if you really want, I can pick you up even in Rome by car and we can come to Poland. It's no problem for me, or Amsterdam, or wherever you land, because I'm doing also sometimes European trips. So welcome.
Yes, it's interestingly, like, you know, few days ago I've got one customer from Netherlands. This guy married with one Polish lady and they are living in Warsaw. And they said to me, like, you know, they've been to many massage places in Warsaw, but when they came to the massage cabinet where my friend and I, like, we built together, you know, they said like, oh, I really feel like this is really like a Bali. So
the one thing what is the very important thing in Europe is that as you are originally 100% Balinese and you're doing authentic thing here, so that's why it's your niche. However, many things is happen like that, so as they are some massages, but let's say they are Thai, or okay, Thai for Thai massage also is authentic, but Thai for Balinese or Balinese for Thai, it doesn't really 100% accurate, right? But also there's a lot of Filipino people who doing massage like a Balinese or Thai, or sometimes you know, from other Asian countries. So that's the biggest difference, right? Like, you 100% genuine, like 100% original, right?
So that's why our massage place is called like Massage Prostos Bali, or originally from Bali, or Bali's Key Originals.
Bali
Original nih, something like that. Okay, so that's actually how is the live update so far, and then.
So don't you worry, all is good. I mean, we are still together. We're not making that many videos. However, in next upcoming few days, you can even expect one travel video. It's gonna be very cool, because it's another crazy idea by me, like we used to do actually a long time. So it's gonna be something cool. And we're gonna try making a little bit more videos in general.
Yes. So maybe Damian will appear more, you know, and also me. But at this time, I'm really busy. But yes, Damian will show you how it is.
Also somehow busy, anyways. But we're gonna try to make more videos. Anyways, our YouTube, The Monkeys, is not dead. We still making. So this is our daily drive, especially for where Winnie is doing the massages. Actually, it's very close to the airport, so always passing airport every single day reminds me of our travels, sayang tak. But the road is nice. Poznan little airport here, and yeah, that's our daily road. It's a little bit foggy today. It's actually 0 degrees, sayang. The 4 degree was when we left the garage. Actually, 0 degree.
You see that this is a 0 degree currently.
0 degree. It's also, this is our the lucky cat here. So we always keep some Asian accents in our environment everywhere.
And on the right here is the airport. Next to the airport is the Moxie Hotel by Marriott, and that's the airport. And actually my massage cabinet, or my massage place, is
about 5 minutes from the airport if you land in Poznan. So even you can come here actually if you are flying from some popular European destination, let's say like Amsterdam or Germany somewhere, or France, or even Spain, or even Italy as well. You can come to Poznan, have a massage, and you can come back if you don't want to stay here. However, it's nice to stay here for a while and try some Polish cuisine and visit Damian and Winnie.
And also you can have a tour, probably a day tour with Damian, and after that have a massage, Bali massage with me.
Sounds good, right?
This is how you spend a day in Poznan, Poland with us.
That's the thing. That's the thing.
Right, so I just arrived in my massage cabinet place, and then it's time to go home, and not go home.
Go home.
So you know, like I told you, my massage place is just like a small Bali vibe. So that's why it's time to go home. I said, this is my kind of a home, you know, where you feel like you are in Bali. I'll show you a little bit later on how it looks inside.
You're zen.
Yes, and you can feel like you really, really relax. Okay,
Give me kiss, give me kiss.
I think that's all from me, and Damian will continue working. And bye-bye.
Take care, sayang.
Bye.
See you at 10. Alright. Look at the Winnie jacket, by the way. Alright, so pretty that's it. Little video, just wanted to show you as everything is alright. We are doing alright. Today I'm driving Uber all day actually. Have no other trips ongoing, so that's also cool. I found out actually as driving Uber makes me like really relax, and also meeting so many nice people around. Sometimes they are not nice, generally, but generally they are nice. And good thing is, as they are, everybody are surprised whenever I start speaking English with them, as if they are foreigners, because they are actually like surprised, and with my funny accent, as you guys said already. Actually nobody complains as I don't speak English or my English is bad. Actually impressed as my English is good. However, I decide as that actually makes me relax, so I'm driving a little bit. Some time ago I used to record also what is going on inside the car, so I will make one day video showing you also some interesting stories. I just need to blur their faces. That's the role here. All right, see you tomorrow or next time.